Ang ganda niya,
Sinta sa isa Mr. DJ, can I make a replacement for ice cream?
Good evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat! Oh my God, 30 years na nga ba? 30 years na? Diyos ko. Welcome to Mega 30, probably the biggest night of my career. It's wonderful to see friends here, old and new. It's wonderful to have you all here. Boss Gary, Ma'am Charo, thank you for being here. Tita Maluina, Tita Milet. Is my boss Vic here? Atiye? Boss Vic! Thank you for coming, boss. I missed you. Kuya Germs is here. Naku, pag inisa-isa ko po, hindi po kasha ang gabing ito. My sister's here, Judy Ann, that I have to say. Of course, Ada, Shani, Richard, Kate, and my family. Welcome to Araneta, mga kaibigan! Hindi niyo pa rin ako iniiwan kahit 30 years na tayo. Hindi ko kinaya, 30 years. Di ba kadedebo ko lang? Nagdebo ako. Ang escort ko, yung director ko. Direk?
Nakita ko nga.
Pwede magtanong?
Kita mo?
Wala ka na.
Naka-share.
Parang
Na yung picture mo.
Yeah, hindi masyado malayo.
Okay. Anyway, 30 years ago po, I was only 12 years old. And 12. My Uncle Tito Soto, who was then Vice President of Viper Music Corporation, and because of my Tita Helen, my sister, who was always with me,
Bayat na niya, no?
Uncle Tito said he wanted me to rent
Palagi
my
naman.
office. I was 11 actually. And then later on, called me 1 year after. So 12 years old ako, baka 12 pa lang, January. So January pa po yung 30th year. I went to the Viper office in Aurora Boulevard, and he made me listen to this song called Kaw ng Pag-ibig. We recorded it, we released it, it was a medium hit, but it was later in May when I recorded Mr. DJ that things really started the ball. So, and now here I am, and you're all with me. Thank you for being here. Like I said, it's your celebration, it's for you, it's about you, and I'm here because of you, because of God's goodness. So, dito na ako nagkaisip, dito na ako natutong magmahal,